Artoonza.
Hey there, fruity artists and tomato lovers. Did you know tomatoes are technically fruits? Mind blown, right? Today, we're drawing the juiciest tomato you've ever seen. Then we're going glitter crazy and painting it so red, your eyes might think it's real. We'll even use our naughty little vacuum to clean up the glitter mess. Grab your markers, glitter, and paints, because we're about to create tomato magic. Give us your like. Warning? Your drawing might look good enough to put in a salad. But please don't. It tastes terrible. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Time for paint drops. Red and light green falling like tiny tomato rain. It's like a party on paper.
Oh, so
Now grab your brush for the light green stem action. This is where things get fancy. We're painting like professionals, or at least pretending to be. Watch as your tomato gets its leafy crown. This green is so fresh, it might start photosynthesizing. Science joke alert. Brush, brush, brush. We're making tomato magic happen. Give us a big thumbs up. This tomato is about to be so shiny, even the sun will get jealous. Here comes the grand finale. Red paint time. This is it, the moment we've been waiting for. We're painting this tomato so red and juicy, you might actually try to take a bite. Seriously, don't eat your paper. Trust me on this one. Brush those beautiful red strokes like you're painting the Mona Lisa of tomatoes. Every stroke makes it more delicious looking. And boom! You've just created the most amazing tomato in the history of tomato drawings. High five. Smash that like button now. You're officially a fruit drawing champion. Big kiss, superstars. Wait, don't go. Click another video. We've got crazier drawings hiding here.